So we're just going to open our internet browser to foryoufitness.com, and on the side there we're going to click on recipes. And this is our home screen for the recipes, but if you scroll all the way to the bottom, we broke it down into some easier categories to help you guys navigate our recipes website a little easier. So we broke it down into training day recipes, entree, rest day, sides, and snacks. Today we're just gonna look at training day. So these are the kind of meals you would have after your workout, or if you're planning to meal prep during the week, just stuff like that. So today we're just going to take a look at this recipe right here, Greek sheet pan chicken and veggies. So each recipe always has a picture of the meal, the title of it, and a little description of what the meal is. And after that, it's going to show you the servings. So this is 4 servings, which would be perfect for meal prep for the week. And then after servings, we always have our macros. So if you count your macros or anything like that, we always have the protein, carbs, and fat information. And after that, we have our ingredients, which is all the stuff you would need to make this awesome, delicious meal prep meal. And then we even include some cooking utensils. So for this, you just need a baking sheet and a large mixing bowl. And then after that, we provide some specific step-by-step directions so you don't get confused or anything. And then we usually include some tips or recommendations for those with dietary restrictions or whoever is following a specific diet. We always got your back. And then at the bottom we always have the